हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सभी दोस्तों? आज का एक टॉपिक आपके स्क्रीन पर है, आप देख सकते हैं मॉडल्स का पार्ट 4। उम्मीद है कि आपने मॉडल्स के पार्ट 3 अच्छी तरह से देख लिए होंगे और आपने इसको खूब प्रैक्टिस भी की होगी। दोस्तों, आज का जो मॉडल है वो है शुड एंड वुड। बहुत ही कॉमन है, बहुत ज़्यादा इसका इस्तेमाल होता है दोस्तों हमारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में। शुड क्या दिखाता है, फिर वुड क्या बताता है, दोनों को हम बारी बारी से एक के बाद एक देखते हैं। सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं आगे शुड के बारे में। तो शुड बताता क्या है, देखते हैं स्क्रीन पर। चलिए, क्या लिखा हुआ है? मॉडल्स फॉर शुड एंड वुड। तो सबसे पहले हम शुड के बारे में चर्चा करें। शुड क्या दिखाता है? द फर्स्ट वन, शुड का पहला पॉइंट क्या कहता है? सजेशन, एडवाइसेस और ड्यूटीज, सुझाव, सलाह और कर्तव्यों को। सुझाव, whenever you are in need of any kind of suggestion, when you need help from others, then people suggest you what to do and what not to do। क्या करें और क्या ना करें, ये लोग आपके नियर एंड डियर, आपके सिबलिंग्स, आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके नेबर्स, ये सब आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं परिस्थितियों को स्टडी करके कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। तो क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये सुझाव भी हो सकता है, एडवाइस, सलाह भी है किसी की, और हमारी ड्यूटीज भी होती है। कई बार हम खुद अपना सेल्फ एनालिसिस करके हम ये डिसीजन लेते हैं कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। तो दोस्तों, द फर्स्ट वन, पहला क्या कहता है, देखिएगा, योर बीपी इज वेरी हाई। आपका रक्तचाप, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा है। आपको क्या करना चाहिए? डॉक्टर क्या एडवाइस दे रही हैं उनको, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? यू शुड टेक प्रॉपर रेस्ट विद मेडिकेशन। तुम्हें उचित आराम की आवश्यकता है, तुम्हें आराम लेना चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू मे बी इन प्रॉब्लम। तो डॉक्टर इज सजेस्टिंग, एडवाइजिंग दैट व्हाट द पेशेंट शुड डू, क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। If you have any kind of disease and for that you take medicine regularly, then you should pay attention towards your health. You should not miss the medicine. Okay? तो शुड क्या दिखाता है? किसी ने हमें एडवाइस किया, किसी ने हमें सलाह दिया, सुझाव दिया, और हम भी कई बार ये महसूस करते हैं कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमारा कर्तव्य हमें क्या बताता है। देखिएगा अगले पिक्चर पर ये साफ समझ में आ रहा है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए। क्या करना चाहिए? If you are on the way and you are at signals, then you should stop. You should stop at red signal. You should not break the rules. Yeah? If you do the same thing, others will follow you. That's why do the right thing. Okay? So what is the line? We should always stop our vehicles at red signals. हमें हमेशा ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए, तभी तो हम ग्रेटर इंडिया की सोच सकते हैं मित्रों। देन फ्रॉम राइट नाउ यू शुड बी रेडी टू फॉलो ऑल ट्रैफिक रूल्स। ओके, या व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर विद नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस? डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम nowadays? What children should eat, it should be, I think personally, homemade breakfast or homemade dishes. But nowadays, most of the parents are providing their children junk food, street food, fast food, and only because of these food, people are getting bulky and fatty. Then I think that children should not frequently eat. Sometimes will do, but not frequently. It should not be in the habit of the children that they avoid dal, chawal, roti, sabji, and they prefer what? Junk food. No, it is our duty, or I think it is a special kind of duty to protect our children from being bulky and fat. Then what is the sentence? Children should not frequently eat any kind of junk food or fast food. I hope that you people and all the parents who are watching my video will be careful next time for the health of their children. Okay, next one. What is the next one? Once again, it is showing duties of children. It is not only duties of children, it is duty of each and every person. What we should teach our children, how to behave with their elders and what they should do. Then you can see very clearly that what this child is doing, he is serving his parents, and it should be a kind of, a special kind of teaching in each and every house. Nowadays, we have limitized our education only within books. Out of textbooks, a lot of things our children are missing, and I think what they are missing is more important, much more important than what they are getting from the books. Once again, I request all of you to teach your children that they should serve their parents. They should always be ready at their service. Okay? And next one, once again, it is our duty. What we have been suffering from global warming nowadays. And what is the main reason? One of the main reasons that people are cutting trees, and consequently the temperature is going high year after year. Then it is our duty, it is our first and foremost duty that we should not cut down green trees, and instead of this we should do plantation. I hope that you may be of that thoughts that there should not be deforestation, because each and everybody is the sufferer. So what is our duty? We should not cut down green trees, and we should stop people if they are doing the same. Okay, the next one, something probable. क्या चीज संभावित है? Should tells us about probability also. Okay, look at the picture. Something probable means likely to happen. ऐसा होने वाला है, उसकी संभावना है. तो let's see. Sonu left Mumbai at 11 a.m. He should be in Raipur by 2 p.m. 11 बजे उसने मुंबई से प्रस्थान किया, और by 2 p.m. 2 बजे तक सोनू को रायपुर में होना चाहिए, ऐसी प्रोबेबिलिटी है. सोनू should be in Raipur by 2 p.m. Okay. Next one. Once again, very good example. All the people are very excited to watch cricket match between India and Pakistan. If it is final match, then you can imagine the crowd. The same thing the picture says, there should be a big crowd. Probability. There should be a big crowd tomorrow in the stadium to watch the final. Would you like to go to watch the final live? Yeah, I would like to go. मैं जाना चाहूँगा. So it is also showing us probability that there should be a big crowd. बहुत भीड़ होनी चाहिए स्टेडियम में. Why? Because it is final match. between India and Pakistan, then you know we people are very much excited about the match between India and Pakistan. Yeah, the next one now, third one is politely express or request. अपने निवेदन को और विनम्रता से कहना। जैसे देखिएगा, I should like to go home now. He's saying bye. क्या कहते हुए कि I should like to go home now. ये एक रिक्वेस्ट भी है, पोलाइट वे में रिक्वेस्ट है। आप अपने निवेदन को व्यक्त कर रहे हैं should का प्रयोग करके। I should like to go home now means I want to go home now, मतलब मैं घर जाना चाहता हूं। तो should tells us about request as well. Okay, the next one, once again the same kind of sentence. He is requesting, I should like to propose you to marry me. वो अपने निवेदन को politely express कर रहा है, saying, क्या कहते हुए, I should like to propose you to marry me means I want to propose you to marry me. Is it clear? Okay, the next one we are going to learn about would. Would tells us, the first one is polite request and offer. If any guests come to your house, you welcome them and you offer them tea, coffee, breakfast and many more things. Then you just offer them saying, would you like some coffee please? क्या आप कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे? This is a polite request. Would you like some coffee please? Okay, what she's saying, coffee please. Would you like some coffee please? She's offering coffee. Similarly, one more thing, you are going somewhere, on the way you are not sure about the way, which way you have to choose, then you ask someone who is acquainted with that locality. You ask, would you please tell me the way to City Mall? She's asking the person, what? Polite request, would you please tell me the way to City Mall? This is a request. You can use would for your polite request. The next one is what you like. आप क्या पसंद करते हैं ज़्यादा? What you prefer. आप किस चीज़ को ज़्यादा अहमियत देते हैं, ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं? And what you love, etc. All these things we can use with the help of would. The first one is what would you like? What you like. Okay? What would you like? Tea or coffee? You have two options. And if you want to say that you want to give more stress, you want that comparatively you like what? Tea to coffee, then you can say I would prefer tea. I would prefer. What is the question? What would you like? आप क्या पसंद करेंगे, टी और कॉफी? आप क्या ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, उसको आप कह सकते हैं I would prefer tea. Would prefer. I would prefer tea. This is the sentence. I would prefer tea to coffee. Once again, I would like to draw your attention towards the line I would prefer tea to coffee. Never use I would prefer tea than coffee. It will be absolutely wrong. Prefer to. I would prefer tea to coffee. Okay? The next one is, once again, you have choice. What would you like? Kit Kat or dairy milk? Please tell me. What? The same. Wow. I would love Kit Kat. The same here. I would love Kit Kat. I would love Kit Kat. Would you like to go for picnic? Oh, I would love. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा यदि पिकनिक पे जाता हूं तो I would love what? Traveling. Okay? Would you like to go to see any historical place or any place where you find natural beauty? I would prefer the places where I find natural beauty. तो I would prefer, क्या चीज़ आप ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं? Would prefer से आप कह सकते हैं would prefer. Okay, one more thing, asking someone to do something. आप किसी को कुछ करने के लिए कहते हैं कि प्लीज आप ऐसा कर दीजिए, तो भी आप अपनी पोलाइटनेस दिखाते हैं वुड के माध्यम से, लाइक वुड यू प्लीज ओपन द डोर, दिस इज अ पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, वुड यू प्लीज ओपन द डोर, वुड यू प्लीज शट द डोर, वुड यू प्लीज हेल्प मी, वुड यू प्लीज support me, would you please pass me the salt. There's so many things, whatever you like from the people to do, you can request in a polite way, saying, would you please sit down, would you please make me understand, क्या आप मुझे समझाएंगे, तो would you please watch this video completely. If you do the same, you would be towards perfection. So please watch this video again and again. You will be in a better position, as I know that you must have seen all 3 models earlier, and this is the 4th one, will surely increase your confidence about models. आज इतना ही दोस्तों, मॉडल को लगभग हमने सारे मॉडल्स को हमने टच कर लिया है, आगे और भी चीज़ों पे आपसे चर्चा होती रहेगी। आज यहीं इतना ही विराम देते हैं, आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी अगले वीडियो के साथ। थैंक यू, बाय।